Convicted mass murderer Tommy Ziegler is fighting for his freedom. He's been on death row for nearly half a century, but now he's hoping a hearing on new evidence will win him a new trial or his immediate release. WESH News investigative reporter Greg Fox has been following the case for nearly 4 decades now.
Yeah, and Greg, you have more on the chances his convictions will be overturned.
Yeah, and chances are slim, really. When you have these evidentiary hearings, they very seldom result in somebody getting a new trial. They very seldom result in somebody having their outright freedom. So it would be rare if it was granted in this case. But the defense team for Tommy Ziegler believes this is going to be a new course for justice. For the first time in 23 years, Tommy Ziegler was back in an Orange County courtroom. This time he was in a wheelchair with an oxygen bottle, the 80-year-old in failing health, but determined to be present for what is likely his last chance for freedom. He was sent to death row for the Christmas Eve 1975 murders of his wife Eunice, her parents, Perry and Virginia Edwards, and store customer Charlie Mays. The women were shot. The men shot and beaten inside Ziegler's Winter Garden furniture store, where Ziegler himself was also found shot in the stomach. He claimed back then 2 men jumped him while he was walking into his dark showroom.
Tommy Ziegler was an innocent man, and the circumstantial evidence proving his innocence was either overlooked or ignored by the state.
Terry Hadley, who has defended Ziegler for half a century, argued new DNA test results will prove Ziegler had none of his family's blood on him and therefore could not have committed the crimes. His cousin, Connie Crawford, has stood by Ziegler and praised the hearing will win him a new trial or his outright freedom.
Well, there's different people in charge.
That can be.
The people that sent him away are gone. And we've got people now that will listen to go by the evidence.
After you look at all the forensic evidence, there's simply nothing here.
The Assistant Attorney General, serving as prosecutor, assured the court that nothing the defense presents this week will exonerate Ziegler.
First saw the police car, and then we were shot sometime afterwards.
But the defense played an audio recording from witness John Jellison. A state investigator interviewed him in April 1976. Jellison was staying at a motel behind the furniture store. He says he saw a police car pull up behind the store, an armed officer get out, and then heard gunshots.
No, as long as you heard the gunshots after, you saw the police cars, that wouldn't help us a bit.
In fact, it would have blown up the state's murder timeline. But the state never called Jellison to testify, and the defense didn't learn of the recording until years later. This hearing is expected to last through Friday, and then after that, there will not be an immediate decision, but likely 3 to 4 weeks or possibly longer at the end of this hearing. Covering Orange County, live in Orlando, Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.